Welcome to English Boosters channel.
Health and family well-being.
Hi John, how are you feeling today? You look a bit pale.
I feel a bit tired, actually. My energy is very low.
Oh no, did you sleep well last night?
No, I couldn't sleep. I had a very bad headache.
That's terrible. Do you often get headaches like that?
Not usually. I think it is just stress from my new project.
Did you take any aspirin or drink water?
I drank a lot of water, but the pain is still there.
I hope you feel better soon. Is everyone else in your family okay?
Not really. My youngest son, Sam, has a bad cold.
Does he have a high fever too?
Yes, a small fever and a very loud cough.
Did you take him to the local doctor yet?
Not yet. We gave him some soup and fruit medicine.
If he doesn't get better by tomorrow, you should call the clinic.
I will, and my wife is also having some trouble.
Is she sick too?
She is fine, but her lower back hurts quite a lot.
Did she lift something heavy at home?
Yes, she was moving heavy boxes in the garage yesterday.
She really should rest for a few days and not walk much.
I agree. She is resting on the sofa with a pillow now.
What about your sister? Is she still working long hours?
Yes, she is healthy, but she is very busy at the hospital.
Does she get enough sleep between her shifts?
Probably not. She looks quite exhausted every time I see her.
Working in a hospital is so difficult. Give her my best wishes.
Requests and offers.
You look a bit worried too. Sarah, is your family okay?
My mother has a very sore throat and a bad headache.
That's too bad. Can she speak or eat anything?
Only a little. Her voice is very weak and she can't swallow bread.
Can I do anything to help you today? I have some free time.
That is very kind of you. Could you buy some fresh honey for me?
Of course. Do you need a big jar or a small one?
A big one, please. Could you get some lemons and ginger too?
Sure. Do you want me to drop them at your house now?
Yes, please. Could you come around 6 p.m. this evening?
I can do that. I will call you when I am outside your gate.
Thank you, John. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Friends should help each other.
I am so busy with my mother, I haven't cleaned the yard.
Do you need help with your garden too?
Actually, yes. Can you help me water the plants and cut the grass?
I can definitely help you with that on Saturday morning.
Are you sure? You already do so much.
It's okay. I like being outside and the exercise is good for me.
Thank you. Can I cook a big dinner for you in return?
That would be wonderful. I always love your cooking.
Great. I will make a healthy vegetable soup for everyone.
Perfect. That will be good. For my headache and your mother's throat.
See you later this evening then.
See you later. Take care.
Talking with conditionals.
John, who is taller, you or your brother?
My brother is much taller than me.
Is he also older than you?
Yes, he is 5 years older.
Who is the funniest person in your house?
My youngest son, Sam, is the funniest.
Is he funnier than Leo?
Much funnier. He tells great jokes.
Who is a better cook, you or your wife?
My wife is a better cook than I am.
What is her best dish?
Her pasta is better than any restaurant.
Is your new house bigger than your old one?
Yes, it is much bigger and brighter.
Is the garden larger too?
The garden is smaller, but it is prettier.
Which son is more hardworking at school?
Leo is more hardworking, but Sam is more creative.
Talking about the past.
Was your life different 10 years ago, Sarah?
Yes, it was very different and much quieter.
Where did you live back then?
I lived in a tiny apartment in the city.
Was it smaller than your house now?
Yes, it was much smaller and noisier.
Did you have a car in the past?
No, I used a bicycle every day.
Was that more difficult than driving?
It was harder, but I was much thinner then.
Did you see your relatives more often before?
Yes, we had dinner together every Sunday.
Was the food better when your grandmother cooked?
Yes, her food was the best in the world.
Did you play more sports when you were younger?
I played tennis every day when I was 20.
Were you faster than you are now?
I was much faster and I had more energy.
Do you prefer your life now or your life in the past?
I think my life now is happier and more stable.
I agree, my life is busier now, but it is better.
It is nice to look back at the past, isn't it?
Yes, but the future is even more exciting.
Dreams and possibilities.
John, if you won the lottery, what would you do?
If I won, I would buy a huge house for my family.
Would it be in the city or in the countryside?
If I had the choice, I would pick the countryside.
Why would you choose the countryside?
Because if we lived there, the kids would have more fresh air.
That is true. If you moved, would you keep your job?
No, if I were rich, I would travel the world instead.
Where would you go first?
If I could go anywhere, I would visit Italy with my wife.
If you went to Italy, what would you eat?
If we were in Italy, we would eat pizza and pasta every day.
What about your sons? Would they go with you?
Yes, if they were on holiday, they would be very happy.
If they saw the ocean, would they go swimming?
If the water was warm, they would swim all day long.
Plans and advice.
What about you, Sarah? If you had more free time, what would you do?
If I had more time, I would spend it with my parents.
If you visited them more, would you help on their farm?
Yes, if I were there, I would help them pick the fruit.
If you had a lot of money, would you buy a new car?
No, if I had money, I would buy a small boat for my father.
That's kind. If he had a boat, would he go fishing?
Definitely, if he went fishing, he would be very relaxed.
If your brothers lived closer, would you see them every day?
Yes, if they lived nearby, we would have dinner every night.
If it rains this weekend, what will you do with your family?
If it rains, we will stay inside and play board games.
If the weather is sunny, will you go to the park?
Yes, if the sun shines, we will have a big picnic.
If I bring some snacks, can I join you?
Of course, if you come, we will have a lot of fun.
Great. If I have time on Saturday, I will call you.
Perfect. If I don't answer, please leave a message.
Thanks for watching.